Unit 9. Students are talking about the upcoming talent show.
Hey guys, have you heard about the talent show next week?
Yeah, I think Alice should join. She's amazing at singing.
Oh, I don't know. I might do it, but I'm a bit nervous.
You must go for it! You've been practicing for so long. You can't waste this chance.
That's true, but I should have practiced more last week.
Don't worry about it. You could win the whole thing if you try your best.
Exactly! And you might have impressed the judges already during the audition.
Maybe. But I must have forgotten the lyrics at one point. I'm not sure.
Well, you need to be confident. The talent show will be tough, but you can win it.
I guess you're right. If I win, I would have fulfilled one of my biggest dreams.
That's the spirit. But remember, even if you don't win, you should feel proud of yourself.
Okay, I'll think about it. I might need some help preparing though.
No problem. We can help you with that.
You really should do it, Alice. It might be a lot of fun once you're on stage.
Thanks, Cathy. Maybe, but I could still mess up in front of everyone.
Come on, you must not think like that. You should stay positive.
And don't forget, we might be able to run through the song with you tomorrow. Would that help?
That would definitely help. I might feel more confident after a few more practice sessions.
We could even record your practice so you can watch and improve.
That's a great idea. I should have thought of that myself.
And if you need a cheering section, we can all be there in the front row.
Yeah, and you must let us know when your turn is, so we don't miss it.
Thanks so much, guys. I think with your help, I might actually do this.